I just finished washing my bike and made a bit of an interesting discovery. Check this out. I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but I'm hoping it will. If you look, there we go. If you look on the fork legs, you can see there's this fine scoring up and down the leg. Now I can't feel it. It feels smooth to the touch, but obviously there's a gap there where grit and dirt and things can get down. And I'm wondering if, I just cleaned the bike and it was covered in bugs on the front of it. And the bugs are hitting the front of the fork legs. And as the legs going up and down, it's sort of pulling junk down inside here. So I think it's a bit of a design issue myself. Yeah, you can pick it up there on this fork leg better in this light. Ever since I've owned the bike, it's always left a little oil ring around the fork leg after I've been for a ride, and it's only just a slight little oil ring, but it tells me that the seals are not as good as they could be, or the design of the way the fork leg seals is not as good as it could be. So in the future I'd like to see Indian address that and improve those fork leg seals. But for now, to touch, I don't feel any scoring or grooving or anything like that. No, I don't think I do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to model up and 3D print my own fork leg protectors. So yeah, that's going to be my next project for the bike. Is it particularly worrying me? No, not really, but it is something that could become an issue if I leave it and don't do anything with it. So next video you'll probably see will be me having modelled, 3D printed and made some fork leg protectors for the Indian Chief. Thanks for watching this video and bye for now. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.